Is a cruise drink package worth it? That question comes up on social media all the time. It should be just a simple math problem, right? Well, Cruising with KK is here to tell you it's not just that. Picture this: a beer at the bar, a daiquiri by the pool, a cocktail at night. Drinking is as much a part of cruising these days as visiting exotic ports of call. So is a drink package right for you? Let's start with what a drink package usually includes. Most cruise lines offer several options, from soda packages to premium alcohol packages. These include soft drinks, specialty coffees, bottled water, and alcoholic beverages. Prices generally range from $20 to $100 per day. Now, the obvious first step is to do the math. Let's say a premium drink package costs $80 per day. If a cocktail costs $12 and a specialty coffee is $5, you'd need to drink at least 7 cocktails or a mix of beverages to break even. A beer might cost you $8, so you'd need to drink 10 a day, or maybe 7 beers and a few bottled waters to stay hydrated. Sounds simple, right? But wait, there's more to it. Most people will tell you to get the drink package if you drink that much, and if you don't, just pay as you go. But I'm here to tell you that math ain't mathin'. Here's why. Your cruise is about relaxation, not stress. Fun, not worrying about money. Your attitude will be totally different with a drink package versus without. Without a drink package, you'll be worried about every drink you buy, debating whether it's worth another $10 to $15. You'll stress over the final bill on disembarkation day. And trying something new? Forget about it. You'll stick to your favorite drink all cruise long, avoiding the risk of not liking something new. That doesn't sound relaxing or fun. That sounds stressful, and that's why whether or not to get the drink package isn't a simple math question. Part of the joy of cruising is indulging in the little luxuries. A drink package can make your cruise feel all-inclusive. It's not just about the math, it's about how you want to enjoy your vacation. With a drink package, you'll try drinks on the menu that sound great, but you'd never try if you were paying for them. See a PB&J old-fashioned at the Mason jar? That thing has peanut butter whiskey and strawberry jelly. Without a drink package, you're not spending $15 to try it. With the package, you're telling the bartender to mix up 2. And if you're ordering something terrible, without a drink package, you're sucking it down anyway. With a drink package, you can dump it and order something different. The package gives you a chance to try new things. You might find a new favorite cocktail, beer or wine. Should you get the drink package? It's partly a math question, but also about valuing less stress, more freedom, and more options. Is that worth $20 a day? I think so. Maybe more. But you're on vacation, and it's worth a few extra dollars for a carefree attitude. You've already spent a lot on the cruise, gratuities, transportation, and excursions. What's a few extra dollars in the scheme of things to have a significantly better time? Now, there are a few other things to consider. Most cruise lines force passengers sharing the same cabin to have the same drink package. Keep an eye on the cost of the drink package. The price fluctuates on many cruise lines, and most will allow you to cancel your package and rebuy it. Those savings can be significant on a 7-day cruise when you're talking about 2 people. Don't just calculate the price of alcohol when doing the math. Factor in the cost of soft drinks if you'll drink any of those, as well as bottled water. It's so much easier to grab a bottled water at the closest bar versus having to go to your room, grab a drink holder, head to the buffet, fill it up, and then head back to your room. If you do purchase the drink package, grab some waters or soft drinks the night before disembarkation and throw them in your stateroom's fridge. You'll be glad you have them the next morning when most all the bars and places to get anything to drink are closed. Now, don't get me wrong with all this. There are times when you're better off not getting the drink package. Are you someone who drinks one day but needs a couple of days before you drink again? What are you doing at the ports of call? Will you be off enjoying an excursion all day at each port? Are you cruising with kids and plan to spend the majority of your days and nights with them and will be less inclined to drink while doing so? In those instances, you might be better off skipping the drink package and instead hit up happy hour or enjoy the drink of the day to save some cash. Bring a bottle or 2 of wine aboard if your cruise ship allows it. Should you get the drink package on your next cruise? If you're asking yourself that question, chances are the answer is yes. But the answer is more than just simple math. Thanks for watching the video. If you found any value in the explanation, I'd love for you to subscribe to the Cruising with KK channel. I'll be posting dozens more videos offering tips, tricks, and explanations on all things cruising. While you're at it, comment with what your favorite drink is to enjoy on board a cruise. Happy cruising!